Okay, let's start. Okay. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my crypto friends. I'm Cheryl. It's very exciting to host the Crypto Market Insight session with our guest. So today we are very happy to have with us our guests who will be sharing their opinions on the market trends. So as the host of today's discussion, I will be leading us through a thought-provoking conversation that promises to be both informative and engaging. So whether you are an experienced crypto user or just getting started, we encourage you to sit back, relax, and join us for what is sure to be an enlightening discussion on this week's market performance, trends, and hotspots. The live session is broadcasting on CoinW live channel and CoinW's YouTube channel simultaneously. Welcome all to watch and leave your opinions or questions about market, coin, etc. in the comment. Our guests will pick up some to answer. So let's go on. Welcome JohnLee, Ayanfendara, Catherine, Dylan, and JayCryptoBeast to our live session. We're very happy to have you here with us today. And to help our audience get to know you better, could you take a moment to introduce yourselves and share a little about your backgrounds? And we are very eager to hear about your experiences, so please feel free to share as much as you'd like. JohnLee and Ayanfendara, and these two are our new friends in today's live session. Will you guys to introduce yourself first? Okay. Well, we can wait them and let them introduce later. Anyone want to introduce first?
Yeah, sure. I'll go first.
Hi, Dylan, our old friend. Hello.
Yeah. Hi, guys. I hope everyone's doing well. Yeah, so I'm Dylan. I've been at CoinW for around about 1 year and 1 month now. I'm a copy trader on the platform. I'm also an educator. I have a group on Telegram where I educate people how to trade and give signals and help people learn how to navigate the trading world if they are new. I've been trading for 5 years now. First in 2018, I started with Forex trading. And then 2.5 years later to 3 years later, I started doing futures crypto trading. So yeah, overall, my experience in trading has been 5 years. And yeah, it's always nice to have these conversations during the week, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Thank you very much, Dylan. Thank you for your introduction. Let's welcome our old friend, Jay. Would you like to introduce yourself a little bit?
Yes. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Jay from CryptoBeast. I've been joining CoinW since June, I think, and this is my fourth cycle on crypto. So it's been almost a decade. And previously, I also trading some stock market and forex. So it's been a hell of a ride, and I think that's it. And I want to, but before that, I want to congratulate everyone that been staying on the bear market, because like if you guys see this pump, we all deserve it after the FTX, after the Luna, after the 3LO. And I want to congrats for everyone who took the long trade, and our recommendation from YouTube live stream from weeks ago, from me myself, from me Dylan, and Boris and others. And maybe I want to give you guys some blessing. This is my blessing for you guys.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Jay's blessing.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's my blessing. Good luck,
Yeah.
guys. Yeah, I'm done.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Lane, would you like to introduce yourself a little bit? And also Catherine.
Yeah, hi everyone. Thrilled to be here with you again. I'm Catherine from CoinW Cards. I've been in the crypto industry for 3 years, and I have been trading crypto for about 1 year. So nice to see you all. Back to the host. Thank you.
Thank you, Catherine. It's very happy to have you again. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Is the before we dive into the next part, we could take a short break. And I think Catherine will bring us an introduction of CoinW card and gifts for all our audience. So let's begin.
Yeah, CoinW is a world-class cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2017 by crypto, cybersecurity, and finance veterans. CoinW provides spot, future, and other services to over 8 million users globally. CoinW Card is a crypto card under CoinW umbrella and empower users to spend cryptocurrency in 176 countries and at 50 million merchants globally. Experience the convenience and peace of mind when off-ramping crypto with CoinW cards, saving time and eliminating fees while ensuring full compliance without the risk of frozen cards. If you drop your CoinW UID during our live and apply for a card, you are in for a treat. You will receive a cool 2 USDT future mega coupon. And this exclusive offer is limited to the first 50 participants in each live platforms, YouTube and CoinW Live. Live, and apply now, and everyone will enjoy 0 application fees along with extra incentives, including a 20 USDT future coupon and a 10 USDT spot and a set of interest bonus. And for step-by-step guide on applying CoinW card, please watch the instructional video provided. And I will show you the video. Shall I share my screen?
Yes, please share your screen now.
Yeah, thanks.
I think this video, it doesn't have sound now. So here is the video about how to trading. And after recharging, transfer asset to your P2P account via transfer. And in the overview, and return to the card page and click recharge. And below the card, details of recharge amount and fees will be displayed. And click confirm recharge. And after a few minutes, and check to view your balance, and then you can enjoy using CoinW card right now. And lastly, don't forget to follow the CoinW card Twitter account. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Catherine, for sharing.
Thanks. I think you didn't hear it.
Yes,
Oh, sorry.
it's okay, it's okay. I think the all are very clear, and I think our audience is very clever, and they can watch it. Thank you so much, Catherine, and we will move on to our next part, market review and top and loser coins. So in this part, we would like to our guests to point out the top 3 performing and underperforming cryptocurrencies of this week. And additionally, we also kindly request market insights on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies you want to talk about. So please be free to share the screen and let us watch your chart.
Yeah, yeah. So I'll just show you what I'm looking at now. So this is Bitcoin, and then I'm gonna go over Ethereum, and then a couple coins that I've actually been trading this week. So I'll just want to speak about the higher time frames first, and then I'll go down to the lower time frames, because on the lower time frames you can see I have quite a lot of drawings there, and I want to explain where I'm expecting price to go. But first off, I just want to speak about what's been happening with this whole market. Okay, so you can see like on the daily and the weekly time frame. So on the higher time frame here, this level at around about 45 to 47k is a very, very strong support and slash resistance. Okay, so there is a potential of Bitcoin going back up to 45 to 47 before we see like a massive retracement back down to like 37, even potentially 30. But I don't see Bitcoin closing above 47k, and if it does, then obviously you're going to see higher levels. But the market is a bit overextended at the moment, so I'm expecting price to retrace at around about these levels. Yeah. So on the higher time frame, like the daily and the weekly time frame, you can see that this level here at 45 to 47 acts as a strong resistance. Okay. And then when I go down to the lower time frames here, this was pretty much, I'll show you what I was looking at today. So Bitcoin currently, it was trading in this consolidation pattern over here, in this triangle pattern, and then I actually took a sell on the breakout over here back down to this low, and I am expecting price to come back down to 42, 400 before we see like a potential bounce, because that is previous resistance if you look at like the lower time frames. And also in the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this is pretty much the most bearish candle we actually have had in the last couple of days, right? So if you carry on to the downside, yeah. So I'm expecting price to come back down to 42k within today potentially. But if you do draw like on the 4-hour, if you draw the Fibonacci tool, so this tool, you take it from the low to the high, and it is about 5. On the resistance, but the north not, we could see that zone, because overall on the day it is looking downside these Bitcoin for Ethereum on the lower time frames here, explaining as Bitcoin, right? It's not forming any higher highs on the lower time frames, like on the 1 hour and the 30 minutes and the 15-minute chart. It's still forming these lower lows in the market. Okay, so Ethereum needs to, in order for Ethereum to be bullish and carry on upwards to like 2300 now candle, above this level here, because this is the key resistance. You can even look at this over here as a very strong level. So Ethereum actually needs to close above 22,665 above here in order for this to carry on to the upside, because at the moment it's probably just going to consolidate within this range over here that we have. Okay, so, and if Ethereum closes below 22,270, we can potentially see price come lower back down to this low over here at 21.96 and potentially this low here at 21.55. Okay, so overall, I am expecting more like retracements than a pump. But if you look at the Bitcoin chart that I went over, it could definitely bounce from these levels. Okay. Another chart that I want to go over is Dogecoin, because Dogecoin has been going up lately. So I'll quickly run over that. Yeah. So let's look at Dogecoin on the weekly time frame, because I'll be quite short here. I have been talking for quite a while, but look at Dogecoin on the weekly time frame. Essentially, out of this weekly downward sloping resistance, we retested this level, and now it's looking like price is coming back to the 0.1168 level. Okay, so this weekly candle still got 3 days left, so we still can see Dogecoin come down a bit more. But overall, I would expect Dogecoin in the next 2 to 3 weeks to try to tap into, the 0.1168 level, because this weekly candle is very, very strong candle. If you have a look here, let me move this. You can see that it is quite a bit of volume that has been happening this week for Dogecoin. Okay, so potential area where people take profit is around about 0.116, and then if it breaks that level, we can see 0.11. Okay, so Dogecoin is looking very, very strong for continuation. But remember, this is on the weekly time frame, so you just have to manage risk if you want to take positions. If you go down to like the lower time frame, you can see that it's looking more to the downside. But as long as it holds like these levels here, I'm expecting Dogecoin just to carry on to that. One charts. So Chainlink, I'm expecting if price holds this support at like 14.874, they could definitely bounce, because this is a valid resistance line over here. But we also have this level here, if you look to the left, that it actually just broke below. Okay, which is obviously more of a range. Okay, so Chainlink can definitely still come back down to 14.281, which is where I would be looking at a potential long. We look at a potential long over here, because if you look left, it's quite a strong level. Okay, you can even put it down a bit right over there. Okay, so 14.2 back up to this range, so around about a 7% range. I'll be looking at that definitely, because whenever price was trading in this zone over here, we've just been bouncing. So now that we're trading back below this zone, we can definitely come back at 14.2. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much what I have today. Overall, I'm still quite bullish, but I'm expecting price to retrace.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dylan. Jay would like to share your.
Hello? Yeah. Before that, can I ask you a question? Are we getting a delay from the YouTube? Because like my members cannot watch us on YouTube right now. Is it YouTube living right now?
Yes.
Oh, no, because it's not live stream right now on YouTube. So
Okay, let me check it right now, and we'll tell you later.
okay, I'm gonna go to chart. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen. Sorry about that. So I'm quite agree with you. Let's go on the smallest time frame. So the one that the 618. I agree with that. So this one, around 40, is it Dylan? This one, right? This one, seems,
Yeah.
yeah, around this one. Yeah, that's this. So I'm a big friend because I'm and so on my point of view, Bitcoin is still holding on the 2 days in here, but this is gonna be a problem if this break. If this break, okay, this is gonna be a problem. So this is, if you can see here on the 3 days, I'm making like Elliott wave from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I don't think we are on the a correction yet. Yeah, maybe another week. So not yet. So I think we still got continuation. Why? Because like on weekly, this is my weekly. Okay, this is my weekly. So okay, we got this yellow line, the middle one. If you can see here from the June 19th, we keep respecting this. I need respect. And then like, okay, so this is like a scene of a crime. So we, where's my, okay, here we go. If we drag, you guys can see here. There we go. This is my scene of crime. So I don't think like my long position, close my long position right now because like I still believe like this area, like this meeting point is gonna be before the big correction, maybe like 42 or that. But maybe we got a small pullback, maybe because I see probabilities. But on the daily, it's quite scary actually because like in here 37 but I don't think I don't, but for me, as long as we still hold this 43 area, I think we're good. We're good right now. But on the small term, I agree with you. We almost hit the 618. I think we're gonna get the bounce soon. So let's move on to it. Okay, it not much happening because I'm doing a hard swing from it. Last time I'm doing a 2 weeks time frame on it, and this is my scanning triangle on it. So I have been accumulating it around this area, around this scanning, and we just break. Well, same like Bitcoin. My target for it is around 2.5, and then like max is around 3,200. Why? Because like from here, let's go to 3 days. Sorry. Okay. We got a cipher on it. Okay. And similar like Bitcoin, we got trend line here. Like this is like the main one, the one that keeps supporting during the previous bull market. If you can see here, okay, respect, and then like there's a respect, and then respect bounce, and then like this is the FTX price, and same Bitcoin. If you drag flip from up bottom, around 618, and we also got this one. The crime of it. Before that, I'm like, this I'm checking so many times. So, but I haven't mentioned you guys. I haven't mentioned it. So I have been accumulating XC because, like, if you guys can see, the gaming is very bullish right now. I have on CoinW we can do like a split trade, which is that's my that's very good. That's one of my expertise because I was in forex before, so I can split an entry with a different price. So this is my first entry from 4.7 blah, blah, and then I got stop loss on second entry because the liquidity grab, and this is my third, and I think I'm gonna do the fourth one in here around 6.7 bucks. Okay, around this area, J82. I think the game is still good and still got a lot of power. And if you can see here, I'm gonna drag flip from up to bottom. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I think we still extend and 11 and about that. And OD. This is kind of controversial because like I checked to Dion yesterday, like rest in peace OD. I think there is on original. This is nothing. I think, but let's see if we can break this trend line, which is around here, and it's not making like the ABC correction yet. So I think probably can go for the fifth weight, like around this area 101 or 84. But let's see. But if not break, pass, skip already. This is kind of hard race, okay? So we got to say, I think we mentioned it 2 weeks ago. So this is my long from back then, and this is my short. And I told you guys, I think last week, if we got a bounce from this 382, the power is gonna be strong. It's gonna be strong. So I'm gonna close my short, which is I did, and I took the long right now. Okay, so this is good, guys. This is really good because like I think they perform like already and so, but this is kind of high risk. Okay, this is kind of high risk. So my target is going to be 7.5 cents, which is 166%. This is not gonna play out in a week. So like a month, maybe two, like this one, it play out like a month from like 111%. So okay, next, this is my top perform, and this is the one that I told you guys underperform one. I think I mentioned this last week. Chili's, spicy coins, not much. It's have been performed. So my target for Chili's will stay insane. Oh my god! I think the other Chili's on my other trading field, but don't sleep on Chili's. And hold on. I'm gonna show you guys my Chili's. I'm gonna show you guys my Chili's. Okay, so you guys can buy it too. Sharing is caring. Where is my Chili's? Okay. So I'm entry at 5.5. So my target is around 7.6. So this is my 7.675. This is my target around this area. Okay, it's kind of high. I know. It's kind of high, but is it? Yeah, it's kind of high. So this is my high. Yeah, it's kind of high, but I think it's possible because like this is a derivative on the spot. I think there is a lot of a previous trade, so this is not complete yet. So I think it's still higher than this. So my target for Jewish in here, 7 points. Oh, sorry. No. 0.76. Oh my god. Sorry guys, it's too high. No. My bad. That's for Buran, and I don't think this is a Buran yet. So let me check. 6 Okay, this area for Chili's. Is it Chili's? Oh no, not this one. Okay. Okay, sorry guys, I took a long time to explain, but bear with me. So okay, here we go. I got one narrative that I think is going to play out, which is Dino. If you guys don't know what is Dino, Dino is an old school coin. Okay, so in here on my group, I've been telling everyone, where is it? So I've been telling everyone from back then, which meme is gonna play, okay, and gaming is gonna play, which is meme is already done it. Okay, I told everyone on November 24 and 27, and gaming is already playing. So next, I'm betting on Dino. Dino, which is like the old school coin, which is like Ethereum classic. Because like the only way they perform is only in the calm market like now. So in the regular market, bear market, they're not gonna perform. So this is my entry for Ethereum Classic. Okay. So if you guys can see here, same like Bitcoin in it, we got a scene of the prime. In case if I drag up to down, here we go. This is our scene. If you guys see in here, yep, this is my target for Ethereum Cash. It's around $33. So we can get around 57% easy. And one more, last one, XRP. This is also like an old school Dino. This is really, and it's a little lagging. It's not performing yet. So for XRP, my target is going to be around this one. So I'm gonna make it quick. First 9.5, and then my scene of the crime is going to be here. $1.3. So we can get around like maybe more than 100. We got like 618 around here. We got the medium follow, and we got here trend line. So if you match the puzzle around here, so it's all matched. This one, respect, and around here, 1.34 XRP. I think I'm done. Thank you, guys.
very much, Jay. Actually, regarding already recently very popular BRC 20 inscriptions, we have some interesting insights to share in today's discussion. So everyone, please don't miss out. And hi, John. Very nice to meet you here. Would you like to introduce yourself and share your screen and points?
Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Hey, how's it going?
I was kind of rushing somewhere, so I'm doing well. So my name is John. Um, I'm a project manager, and I'm also a Web3 educator. So that is just basically what I do. And I'm also a lecturer for coin. So now, basically, so going straight to what's currently happening in the market, looking at the Bitcoin market and looking at the ETH market, a lot of people have been, most people didn't actually predict, like, that, okay, the Bitcoin is actually going to get up to 40, up to, going up to, even though it's trying to show signal, trying to go up to 45, 48, in which we're actually going to see. Now, my belief about the market currently is that we're likely going to see the pushing up to around 45, 48. Now, within that range, before we see a pullback in form of retracement in the market, looking at, and also looking at, but one thing we have to know is that looking at how we're coming on board, looking at like recent halving coming on board, looking at also the ETF approval, which is stated for the 10th of January, and looking at all those factors, we actually know that once actually around 12 now when it comes to the ETF approval, 12 institutions are actually coming on board to invest into the ETF market. Now, just imagine if 12 different institutions comes on board to invest. Just imagine how the price of Bitcoin will actually go to. Now, a lot of people are actually buying, a lot of people, and most some investors or some traders in the condition market, because they believe no matter what's currently happening in the market will still come back to around 30 and thereabouts in the market. But I'm currently still bullish on the Bitcoin market. I'm still bullish looking at the market getting up to 48 in the market, and also looking at the ETH market. Looking at the ETH market is actually doing absolutely well. ETH market got its range of up to around 2,300 plus thereabouts in the market, which is actually very massive. And looking at Drone coming on board, we actually see more move when they can market movement. And it's my actual, and also it's not just going to affect, it's not just going to stay for us 2023, because it's actually going to be towards the ending of 2024, and we're likely seeing it's not just affect 2025, it's actually going to affect the market and order. So
looking at the Bitcoin ecosystem, that is BRC20 token, looking at, for example, ordinance rates of around 60, which was actually, I was actually, was one of you that actually good ordinance when it's around, I think, 4, and I was pretty massive profit. I actually sold off, looking for a form of retracement before going into the market again. So a lot of those projects are actually doing well, and even looking at Luna that we like, oh, is actually a dead project, and looking at it also coming up, giving up a kind of a massive move in the market. So we have a lot of projects looking at Loon, ALB, we have ETC, that is Ethereum Classic, we have which also did absolutely well when looking at the market. So all those tokens are actually listed as, I just summarized listing out all those tokens are actually going to do well when looking at the market, and just looking at what we currently have in the market, the price that we currently have in the market currently, looking at projecting next year, we'll actually see all this altcoins, actually see a very massive push in all these altcoins, because they actually what's actually determining a good project is actually looking at the utility of the project, looking at the use cases of the also as a role to play when looking at the project, and all those projects I actually just listed. Looking at Room, ARB, OK, the plan. That is, also we have this Bitcoin Light and all the stocks also in Jetty. All those tokens are actually doing absolutely well, in which a lot of people can actually go into and to invest in and all that. So when you're looking at the total market cap in general, look at the total market cap in general. There's still more fun, and knowing fully well that there's actually more funds coming into, like, that's actually going to come into the market. So we are still expecting more massive push when looking at the market moves and all that. So that is which I can actually say concerning the current market. Hello?
Yes, hello, we are here. So, do you want to share anything else?
I'm not going. Probably I will continue later on. I'm not actually in a comfortable environment to actually share my screen currently. But when I get I'll actually share my screen along the section. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, okay, cool. Thank you very much, John. Okay, so let's move on to the next part. Is about discussion of this week's market trends and important data. And so for our first question, actually it is, let me share my screen for this. and what are the situations that could lead to temporary declines? Could you share some on-chain data? Will
Um, so I mean, to be honest with you, that's when watching the chart earlier, it looks like that 47k for me in terms of retracements. So I do think that we're going to see a bit of a retracement because the market is very like there's like these measures, they kind of at top, like if you look at the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, it's very extended. I think that might be back. But yeah, I think I still think that reach before we see a decline. So I think that 47 will be the potential top. Yeah, my situation for Bitcoin. Some on-chain data. I normally just look at the book map where all the massive orders are sitting at, and we have quite a lot of orders at 47 to 45k, and a lot of people are looking to take some profits there. And then on the downside, we have I'll have a look now, but I think it's at the 37k and the 42k that we were speaking about earlier. So yeah, I think that 50k, it's a bit out of reach in terms of before we see the decline, but we're obviously going to see that very, very shortly. We just need to see a pullback, but I could see 47k soon. What's your thoughts, Jay?
You John? Yep, around 47 and 48. And is it possible we still get a week in between like 21 and 50, but after that, I'm gonna after that, I'm gonna chill out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna yeah, I'm gonna calm down and then see on Twitter everyone trying to be God, and prediction is around 80, 70, and some stupid prediction. Okay, it's done. I think the trend is done. If people start doing something like that, so I think okay, that's it.
The problem is there's so many longs in the market at the moment, and I think a lot of people are revenge shorting. So everyone's just trying to short right now, and then what's happening is they're just getting liquidated. Like throughout the past week, everyone's just trying to short. That's why we've seen a massive pump as well.
Yeah, that's why the pump is not stopping yet because the shot is still on the play because they keep shorting, and then like the market maker is still like pumping up, so that's they all keep liquidating. So I don't think this is gonna stop until they turn too long, and then like everyone start to be bullish. I think that okay, I'm done. I'm there.
Yeah, exactly.
In my own view, you're actually right concerning the market. I currently see the market moving up to around 7K. The market actually gets it at 7K. I was actually telling my community that this week is actually going to be a very good week. The beginning of the week when the market is the right time to actually look if you actually want to invest into Bitcoin and all that. I actually start trusting the market because by early next year about my likely the market is getting off to off just weekend towards next early next week. My likely the market getting off to around 37, 38. Now from that point, you actually see kind of retracement to probably around 37, sorry, around thereabouts in the market. So that is actually my whole view concerning the market. And one thing again is that we might not actually see kind of a strong retracement. I don't know if you get me. We might not actually see kind of a strong retracement. Looking at the fact that, looking at putting some factors into consideration, looking at 2024 is already around the corner, looking at things is already around the corner. A lot of people actually want to go into the market and all that. That is actually my own view concerning the market. For 50K, I don't think actually the market will actually get to 50K, but I'm actually looking at around, I'm sorry, 47, 48, there about the positive kind of even retracement towards 37, there about 36 in the market.
John, is quite good. Yeah, so that's why we have to wait. Really, we have to wait until like we see a sign, maybe like we are pulling that, or there is like another power to going up. So the only one that know like they're going up or down only God and the whales. So that's why we as a retail we have to like see the sign like every day we have to see we like we have to this is like our no sleep season. So we cannot miss like every day, you know.
Yeah, literally.
you know, actually, I was actually expecting, I was actually expecting a kind of a news that will actually that will actually drop the market. I was expecting like something that normally I was getting into the market because I was actually expecting a move. The sign was that the market is actually going to push up.
Sorry.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Sorry.
What about
It's kind of like low. I'm sorry, I cannot hear it.
okay, can you guys hear now?
Yeah. Let's try.
Oh,
Let's try.
okay. Like I was actually discussing with the community and I was actually telling them that I was actually expecting the news that will actually fall the market, but it seems like the news is not actually what's coming and what everyone is just what like that. Some people are currently still shocked in the market. It's just those who still believe that the market is not actually going to go down and is actually liquidating them. The market is pushing up and more than what yes, some people are still shocked in the market. But I was expecting the news that will actually push the market really down, and we are still going to see that news actually coming on board. Probably before next week, about maybe a news will come on board. I'm talking about from this fundamental angle. It is my second board to actually pull the market down to probably shows thereabout. I don't know, what do you feel?
Yeah, my thing is, I think right now, the market is trying to price in. You got what I mean? They're trying to price in, and then when the news came out, when the news come out, and then like we only got little bit weight, and then I took like so many long right now, and all I have been waiting right now is the news. When the news come out, I'm gonna close all my long, and I'm gonna like prepare for my shot because like for me, this is gonna be like this is gonna be like a almost sell this fan. So this is like hanging on gold. And gold from gold when back then, and then when this came out, we got a little bit weak. Like if you guys remember on April time, F1 against the SEC, okay, we I think we're gonna hit like that.
Exactly.
There was a tweet yesterday about the have 4-5% in like 20 minutes or something. It was saying that the lawsuits, like almost something like that. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
I
what
actually want to add.
Yeah,
Okay,
go.
well, okay, so like coming on board um for the I actually actually just on the public BlackRock and I that was listed that was actually approved. So, you guys usually give market price.
Mm-hmm. What is it talk, Dylan?
Yeah, I mean, but yeah, I don't lifted like that much. I think only like to an extent because the market currently right now, I think it's more about the institutions and all the big players just trying to buy positions. Like Michael Saylor, he's in profit of like over $2.5 billion. Like, so I think when institutions start seeing that, and they all want a piece of the pie. So I think that's also why the market is just carrying on. I don't know if I answered the question, to be honest.
Actually, I have a question.
Yes.
Yes, because actually my question is in the case of Bitcoin, and I can see there have been like 3 instances of bearish divergence.
Various divergence. On which time frame?
Never look. I don't really look at
Sorry, on which time frame?
Yes.
Carry on which time frame? Is it daily or weekly?
Weekly. Weekly, yeah.
Weekly. Yeah, we got it. It's not confirmed yet.
and the daily time frame
Yeah.
is quite a strong divergence actually.
But don't forget about the monthly, guys.
Yeah.
If I can share my screen on the monthly, we got the bullish.
I can stop my screen sharing.
Yeah, so that's why like the monthly is still in play, but I think like until the stop on the monthly is crossing, so that's I think my cue. Oh, okay. Can I share right now? Okay.
Yeah. You can share it.
Okay. Thank you. So this is my monthly. Okay, this is my monthly. If you can see in here, we got a bullish divergence in here.
Yeah.
And like we got the momentum right now. We got the momentum. So until the momentum is out of gas, okay, we just gonna keep playing because like for me, I'm gonna ride the trend when the trend is still giving me, but until the trend is done, okay, now I'm gonna like another trend. But for now, for the monthly, I think monthly is bigger than weekly, so I'm gonna trust the monthly for this time because like on monthly, I think like there is less of a fake signal. So I think I'm gonna trust on monthly. So which is like the I think around 48. Why you guys stop? Dylan and
Yeah, I agree.
oh
I agree. Yeah.
yeah.
I mean, yeah, looking at the monthly chart, I'd actually look at the momentum there. It looks very clean to carry on to 48, 47.
Yeah,
At least previous that March 2022, March April 2022 that you have there. Yeah.
mhm. And on the RSI, we still not reached 70 yet. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna waiting until like the trend line is like hit the 70. So I'm gonna be aware like, oh, okay. I think the gas is gonna be finished soon. So I'm gonna wait on around this area. But before that, so I'm gonna keep my position and I'm gonna keep like the long. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop sharing. Thank you guys.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Jay. Okay. Let me share my screen again. Okay, I think we have a thoughtfully discussion on question one. So let's go on to the next question. So as mentioned in the tweet, is it possible that the ETH could be the next target for a speculative frenzy with potential gains surpassing Bitcoin?
Yeah, I mean, this is when you look at Bitcoin on when you look at Bitcoin dominance, right? So Bitcoin dominance at 55 or 54% at the moment. So the thing is, once Bitcoin dominance starts to show weakness, I mean, if you look at long time frame, it's really, really bullish. So that's why I have that when coins like the old coins, obviously we are getting some altcoin pumps, like, you know, randomly and stuff, but overall Bitcoin is outperforming like the altcoin market. Like, to me, the altcoin season is still a long way away because we need Bitcoin dominance actually start coming down. You know, once we see, you know, go back up to like 32, 3K. We get in the old season. We need to see the Bitcoin dominance chart come down.
Yes, yes. Agree with you. Jay, so what's your opinion of this question?
Yeah, I think so I'm looking on my chart on Bitcoin dominance right now. So on the weekly, we are doing the Elliott wave, and right now we are on the fifth wave. So on the fifth, after the fifth, we're gonna get a ABCD correction. This is a weekly on the Elliott wave. Okay, this is a weekly. On the ABC, I'm gonna agree with Dylan. So on the 618, we're gonna hit like 5,130%. So if we can reach that area, and we break it, so I think we're gonna bull on up. But before that, I think Bitcoin is gonna keep performing. But it's not. We cannot see that some out is outperforming Bitcoin. We can, because like some outs is it's going to outperform Bitcoin on the Bitcoin pair, because like when you see right now, all the money is keep moving. Like yesterday we got like the gaming. Oh no, sorry, yesterday is a gaming and a meme. If you can see Pepe and Dodge, they're all pumping. Okay, now they're all like chill out and just going vacation and maybe like going up next week or another month. But so that's why like now the money is moving to the other out. So I think like some out.
They
Yeah,
have
same here also.
Go ahead, John.
no,
Okay,
you
same here. Same here. I actually saw the news, but I felt like it's just temporary. It's just probably they just want the price to go down. So they want people to actually they want some people to actually sell off so that they can actually buy. So they don't actually want to buy at a high price. They because when these news came out, most of the BLC tokens actually went down. It's actually weighing down. Yeah, it's actually weighing down some of the projects. Actually weighing down because I actually followed them. So the various tokens project actually went down a little bit. So they actually just it's not actually going to last. I believe it's not actually going to last. It's just temporary. They're just trying to manipulate the market, price of the market and all that. But I feel it's not actually going to last. And um, there's actually they just want to actually buy at a lower price so that they can actually have huge profit. So that's just what I feel.
Yeah, I'm the same as you.
Yeah, so do I.
Yeah. Okay, I have a question. Like, for the BRC 20, I guess there has a lot of voices, like in favor or against voices, a lot of them. So for the first against voice, maybe is they think Bitcoin as the digital gold shouldn't cater to other applications, and the high transaction fees lead to a decline in active users and deterring price-sensitive users from adopting Bitcoin. Will you agree these against the voices?
As a digital gold,
I'm sorry?
as a digital gold,
What? Digital gold. Yeah, digital gold.
a digital gold. So yeah, I think I'm gonna agree because like they keep comparing Bitcoin with the gold.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna agree with you on this because like
Yeah,
they is a high risk. Debo is very high risk. What you thought, Dylan and John?
yeah, I also agree with that. I mean, yeah, I agree. I can't really say much on that, to be honest.
Mhm. Okay. Dylan, any thoughts of this question?
Oh, yeah, I said I agree with Jay as well.
Okay. How about John?
They got like the same thing like right now. So okay, if you wanna compare like Bitcoin as a digital gold, you wait uh until the approve, and then you see if the Bitcoin if it's if the ETF approve and then Bitcoin going to dump. So okay, Bitcoin is similar with gold, because like when gold back then, I remember. So if Boris was here, so Boris I think remember. I think Dylan remember too. When it was on forex and gold is went to ETF right away. One day it's like XRP, boom, go down. So if Bitcoin doing the same thing, so okay, Bitcoin is like similar. It's a digital gold. So we have to wait until the ETF.
Okay. Well, I actually believe Bitcoin is actually going to become digital gold. I believe Bitcoin is actually digital gold currently. Looking at the digital ecosystem, looking at other projects, other tokens, other coins, you actually know that okay, Bitcoin has actually taken has actually been in dominance for a very long period of time. A lot of people actually believe in the Bitcoin ecosystem. If you look at it, the solution in which Bitcoin, even though ETH that actually even comes on board, they move from the Bitcoin as a proof of work to the proof of stake ecosystem. But Bitcoin still shows strength. There is a lot of people actually still believe in the Bitcoin ecosystem. That is why a lot of people still invest in it. Most financial institutions are actually going into it. More of the regulations that we actually see is surrounding to the Bitcoin market and others. So a lot of people still believe in the Bitcoin market, which I personally believe is actually the digital gold. When looking at the ecosystem and others, comparing to other projects, it has actually been outstanding over the years, and it has actually proven to be reliable, to be strong when looking at the market. And over the time, and also once over the time, if you notice the Bitcoin market over the time is now becoming less volatile than the way it usually is before. Now the market is still volatile. The ecosystem, digital ecosystem is actually volatile. But looking at the Bitcoin market, you will notice that it's actually less volatile. And also the ETF approval is actually going to have a very good on the market. So I'm currently waiting for the approval to see how the market actually going to play out. But I still believe and I know fully where the market is actually going to play out well. Looking at the Bitcoin approval, looking at the US, a lot of factors actually coming to play. But Bitcoin is actually digital good for me.
Yes. Thank you, Joyce, for sharing. Thank you so much. Okay, I think we are learned a lot from this session. And thank you, Jay. Thank you, John and Dylan and Katharina. And overall, I'd like to thank you everyone who